Welcome back to Inebriated.
My name's Lee.
And I'm Bree.
Today we're going to teach y'all how to make our little play on the summer shandy that we're calling the Rummer Shandy.
Let's get inebriated. That's how you make the Rummer Shandy. This might be my favorite drink we've made.
Super good.
I love beer, so I'm a huge fan of the blood orange wheat beer. It's actually made locally in Monroe, North Carolina, so just around the corner, which is awesome. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this drink?
Yeah. So big shout out to Southern Range. I got this at Total Wine. I was looking for a nice local wheat beer, and I saw this with the blood orange on it, and so I was like, perfect. So I picked that up, and this drink is super simple, super delicious. It is probably one of my new favorite cocktails as well. I really didn't expect it to be this good, but it really is. It's super easy to make. We just did 1.5 ounces of our silver, and you can go with some other of our rums too. I would probably also highly recommend using the Queen Charlotte 1 Year. I went with the silver just because it's already got that kind of lighter flavor to it. I get some lemony, lemongrass kind of notes out of it as well. And it's just light and refreshing to go with a nice light and refreshing beer. So I figured that would go perfect. And with the lemon, that's the lemon juice that's in there. Queen Charlotte would also be good. You're gonna get a more kind of that classic dark rum kind of flavor with maybe a little bit of that oak coming through. Would also be a fantastic addition to this.
It's awesome. I can't stop sipping it. Yeah. I'm gonna probably finish the glass. But it's great. It packs a punch, definitely with the beer and the rum in it. So be careful with this cocktail, like always. But yeah, this is definitely my new favorite. I'm gonna have to drink this more often. And
we are recording this at 9 o'clock in the morning, but we're gonna finish it. So
we're gonna finish them. But yeah, if you want to check out the recipe, it's gonna be in the description down below, as well as all the other cocktails on our YouTube channel. They're also on our website. And on our website, you can find cocktail classes and dinners, which are awesome events we do here that Lee puts on. We do them every month pretty much, so definitely check those out. We got a lot of exciting stuff coming here at the distillery, so make sure that you're subscribed and liked and follow along the journey. But we're gonna go finish these drinks. So until next week, we'll see you later on Inebriated.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's my favorite.